So next topic is what? Heading properties. Heading properties in CSS. Now in body tag we are going to use H1. First we are going to create headings. Epoch copy 2, 3. I am taking 3 H1s only. Save. Here, refresh. Sorry, not this one. You open headings file. See, Epoch computers, Epoch computers, Epoch computers. Like that you are getting. You can take any text. I am taking. See, this text you are getting in. I have taken capital, small letters mixed I have taken. So like that only it is coming in the output. This is all heading ones. Now for these headings I am going to give styles in CSS. H1 flower brackets open, close, because we need to apply styles for H1 now. That's why we need to use the tag name. Color, you give any color, blue. Save, come here, refresh. So you are getting blue color there now. Now text, align, center, text, decoration, underline, text, transform, uppercase, save, come here, refresh. See what happened? The text is coming in the center, you are getting underline, you are getting in uppercase. Uppercase means in capital letters. See, underline means you will get underline. Uppercase means all will come in capitals. But all the headings are coming in the same size. But I want them in different styles. So I will copy the properties. I will give different values for each tag now. Instead of underline, in text decoration we can take overline. Instead of uppercase we can take lowercase also. Next, color green, alignment left. So underline, overline finished. The next is line through. Instead of uppercase I am giving capitalize. Save it, refresh. You are not getting, again you are getting same property for the 3 H1s. I have taken 3 styles, blue, red, green, but you are getting only the last property only you are taking. Why? Because if you just 3 properties and if you take 3 headings, those 3 styles it will not apply for them. In this situation we need to use classes concept. So how to take classes means using dot symbol. Dot indicates that it is a class. You take any name for the class, X, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, you can take any names. I am taking X, Y, Z. For the 3 H1s I am taking classes, dot X, dot Y, dot Z. Now save it, again refresh. See, now you are not getting any styles. That means just taking classes in CSS is not sufficient. Those classes we should use inside the body tag. That is the important point. Class is equal to X. That means now for this heading the class X properties will apply. Now for the second one, class Y properties it will apply. Like that we need to apply the properties. Save it, come here, refresh. Now you can get for 3 headings, you are getting 3 different styles. For the first one, center alignment, underline, uppercase means all in capital letters. For this, right alignment, red color, overline means you will get line above the text. These are in lowercase. Lowercase means small letters. This is green color. Line through means you will get strike. Capitalize means first letter of the word will become capital. See, I didn't write A and C in capital, but in output you are getting A and C in capital. That is the meaning of capitalize. Capitalize means every word starting letter it will become capital. So these are the properties which we can give in the headings. And how to take classes, dot x, dot y, and how to use them in the body tag we are going to see. So this is about headings. So after headings, the next property is font tag properties. What are the properties which we can give for the font tag? We are going to see now. So font tag, just I am creating one font tag. Font tag open, font tag close. Save. In that you take any text. Something you take, Durga jobs. You close this, open font. By default you will not get any styles for the font. Now we will write the font tag styles in CSS. Font, flower brackets open, flower brackets close. Inside that font tag, first I am giving color. Wherever you have text, compulsory color will be there. Color property we can give there. Red. Refresh. The text is coming in red color. Next, font hyphen size, text size. Here I am giving 20 pixels. Refresh. See, size is been increased now. Here we need to give the pixels, units also. You can take any 50 pixels. See, the text size is increasing now. Like that, how much size you want? Not only pixels, we can take other units like points. PT means points. If I take 50 points, see, same size is 50 only, but instead of pixels I have given PT, size has been increased. That means 1 point is equal to 1.5 times pixels. That's why it will be more bigger than the pixel. Not only pixels, you can take EM 2.5 EM. So 1 EM is equal to 18 pixels. I will write them in the comments, no problem. So like that. So general unities we use pixels. So this is 50 pixels. So I am writing it here in comments. The first is px, pt. Pt is equal to 1.5 pixels. Next, em. 1 em is equal to 18 pixels. So these are the 3 units which we are going to find in WebPages generally: pixels, points, and em. Font size means text size. If you want to increase the text size using CSS, font size is the property we are going to use, or we are going to use. Next is font family. So font family means style. Just you take the font style from the notepad font. You can take any style your wish. You copy that style name in double quotations, you paste that style, that's all, semicolon at the end of the property. Now this text style will be changed to that style. See, the text font style has been changed. So font family means font style, name or styling will be changed. Next, font weight, or you can, whatever the font names you can remember, those names you can directly give. For example, Arial. See, it will come in Arial font. Okay. Next is font weight. In font weight, default is normal. I am giving now bold, so that the text will become, see, text is become bold. So here we have two values, one is normal, another one is bold. Next, font style, italic. Save. Here refresh. See, the text is coming in italic style. Italic style. Normal, italic. Save it. So the next option is font variant. In that we can give an option called small hyphen caps. Save it. Come here, refresh. See what happened? Previously only D is in capital, now all are coming in capital letters only, but the remaining these letters are coming in capital, but they are coming in small size than the first one. Small caps means small letters will convert into capital letters, but in small letter size only. If you want to see, understand, you take normal. Okay, this is the normal. This is the actual normal size of the text in small size. Now I will give small caps. Refresh. See, it will come in the capital letters, but in small letter size only. So these are the font tag properties which we can give. So in font tag properties, the first one is color, to give the font color, size, to give the text size. So in size we can give pixels, points and EM as the units. Font family means styling, Arial, Times New Roman, like that, whatever the font styles you can remember, you can type or you can take from the above. Font weight, bold, font style, italic, font variant, small caps. So here in comments I am writing normal and small caps. Among those two values you can take any one value. So these are the properties we can give for the font tag. So these are the properties which we can give in the font tag properties. So this is about font tag properties. Next, paragraph. So the next properties is paragraph properties. So here I am changing title to paragraph properties. So what are the paragraph properties which we can give? Okay, we are going to see them now. All the paragraph properties we are going to see. P, open, close. So you can take from Internet Explorer, help, or anywhere you can take. You can take from here, help. Just copy some text, paste. Now this is one paragraph. Open. So this is one paragraph. For this I will give styles using CSS now. P, flower brackets open, flower brackets close. First is color. We can give color for the paragraph. Red. Save. See, paragraph color in red color. So if you want any other color, you can take blue. See, it is coming in blue color. Like that, whatever the color you want, you can give. Next, font hyphen size. I am giving 20 pixels. Now, the text will come in 20 pixel size. If you want more, 22. I will increase little bit more. See, this is the text size. Next option is, after this one, font or alignment we will give. Text hyphen align. In the text align, I am giving justify. Come here, refresh. See, justify means left, right, both side it will be equal. That is called justify alignment. So next option is text indent. I am giving, for example, 300 pixels. If I give text indent, what will happen? The starting line of the paragraph only it will move. See, the first line of the paragraph is moved 300 pixels. See, only the starting line it is moving. And the next one is line height. Line height is nothing but gap between the two paragraphs or gap between the lines. Default is 20. I am increasing it to 40 now. Save it. Here, refresh. See, the line gap between the lines has been increased. I will increase more now. 60. Refresh. See, the gap between the lines is still increasing. If I give 20, it is decreased now. Like that, how much you want, that much you can take. 30. Okay. So line height is nothing but gap between the lines. Next, border. So in border we can give border for the entire paragraph. So in border we have three options. First is thickness. How much thickness you want for the border? For example, I am giving 3 thickness. Next, after thickness we need to give style of the border. Default style is solid. So I am giving solid style. Next is color. Save. Refresh. See, you are getting border with 3 thickness, solid style and red color there. Now instead of solid we have another styles also. Dashed. Save it. Refresh. See, it is coming in dashes. Instead of dashes, you can take dotted. Save it. Come here. Refresh. Will come in dots, dotted lines. Next is double. Save. So you will get double line now. Next, groove. Groove means you will get shadow. So if you zoom it, you can see. See, for the border you are getting shadow. You are getting what? Shadow. Okay? Groove means shadow. So these are the values we can take. Solid, dashed, dotted, double, groove, inset, outset. So insert, outset also we will see. Inset means also you will get border only, but you will get border or shadow only in the top. in the bottom you are not getting any shadow, only in the top part only you are getting shadow. Next, outset. Outset means same, you will get the shadow in the bottom, the top you will not get any shadow. Groove means you will get total shadow. So these are the styles we can give in the border. So this is about border. Border means you can create border for the paragraph. Next one is margin. So we can give margin in 4 directions. For example, I will give 4 values now here. 30 pixels, 20 pixels, 15 pixels and again 30 pixels or 40 pixels. Like that in 4 directions I am taking margin, or here I will give 0 pixels. Save it, refresh. So you are getting margins in the 4 directions now. So which value will come where, that is the important thing here. Always you remember the first value it will take in the top, second value in the right, third bottom, fourth left. That means it will start from top and it will go in clockwise direction. So 30 will come in the top, 20 will come in the right. So 30 top, 20 right, bottom there is no margin, 0, and again in left you are getting 40. Like this we can give margin in 4 directions. After margin, the next option is padding. Padding means you will get space between the text and the paragraph or text and the border. This also you can give 4 directions, 40 pixels, 20 pixels, 10 pixels and 30 pixels. Like that 4 values I have given. Now padding means gap between the text and the border. That is called padding. So I am writing just that in the margin. Margin means gap between page and border. Next, padding means gap between the text and border. So this is about margin and padding. So this is about the paragraph properties we can take. So these are the text properties which we can give in the CSS. Now after paragraph properties we will see scroll bar properties. Save as scrollbar.html. So open that page. This is scroll bar. Okay, now so whenever you are getting any scroll bar in the web page, for that scroll bar we can give styles. So what are the scroll bar properties or what are the styles we can give for the scroll bar, we will see now. First I am taking one image. You can take any image. Just copy that image. Here I am pasting. For that you give 111. For that 11 image I will take now. .jpg. Break. Like this same image I will copy 3-4 times so that you will get scrolling. Save it. Now open in Internet Explorer, because only Internet Explorer only supports that scroll bar properties. Only Internet Explorer only you will get that scroll bar. See, this is a scroll bar now. This is a scroll bar now. For this scroll bar, we are going to give styles now. But the scroll bar properties are supported only in Internet Explorer browser only. Remaining browsers, these properties will not work. Now, how to write properties for the scroll bar? We don't have any scroll bar tag to write. So, we will write it for the body tag only. Body tag, flower brackets open, flower brackets close. Inside the body flower brackets only, we are going to write the scroll bar properties. Scroll bar hyphen arrow hyphen color. Next, scroll bar hyphen face hyphen color. Scroll bar hyphen track hyphen color. Next, scroll bar hyphen shadow hyphen color. So these are the 4 values we can give: arrow color, face color, track color, shadow color. I will give different arrow red, face blue, track green, shadow orange. Like that I have taken some colors. Save it, open the browser, refresh. See, you are getting colors in the scroll bar. See, the arrow mark you are getting in red color. See, arrow mark. That is called arrow color. That means the whatever the color you are getting for the arrow color, that will come in the arrow mark, you will get in the arrow color. The moving object, this is called face. The which we move the page scrolling up and down, that is called face. That is coming in blue color. And in the background you are getting green. That is called track. Track means that background color is called as track. And beside that, below that blue color, you can see the orange color shadow. Okay, that is called shadow color. So arrow means you will get color for the arrow mark, red. Face, the thing which we move is called as face, and the track is the backside one. And the below the face, you are getting orange color. Now if I click, see, it is scrolling up and down. So this is the scroll bar properties. Same thing if you open in Chrome or any other browser. See, you are getting any styles? No, because scroll bar properties will not support in other purpose. So I am writing a comment here. Supports only in Internet Explorer. So in remaining browsers, this property is not supported. It is supported only in Internet Explorer browser only. Remaining browsers, it is not supported. It is supported only in the Internet Explorer option only. So this is about scroll bar properties. So this is up to this are called text properties, background properties and scroll bar properties. Till now whatever we have done using internal only. That means we are writing inside the head only. Now we will do one example in external style sheet. We will do one example in external style sheet. Okay. The next options is we will do in external style sheet. Till now we are done in internal. Now we will do in one example on external. We will take list tag or list properties. Now I will create list first. OL tag open, OL tag close. OL means order list. Inside that I will create one list. How to create list? By using LI. LI means list items. I will take any flowers list. Rose, lily, like that I am taking some 3-4 flowers names and I am creating one list. Okay, save. Same like OL, we are having UL also. UL means unordered list. Same, copy, paste, save it, open. See, the first one is order list. Order list means it will come in numbers. Unordered list means it will come in bullets. These two are unordered list, this is order list. For this order list and unordered list, we are going to apply styles now using external style sheet.